Hello, I'm Gavin, and this is MEMMG Studio, and we're going to go to Erika in Brazil.
Hello, this is Erika speaking live from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. As we speak, Rio is in the middle of a severe thunderstorm. People of Rio, we urge you to stay inside the building. The dark, cloudy skies are shooting down lightning bolts from the clouds. Lightning is caused by an electric discharge that occurs by a positively charged area and a negative area. Lightning is well known for starting forest fires, and lightning has started a forest fire north of the city. The thunder is deafening and constant as the rapid expansion of air along the lightning strikes. This is the worst thunderstorms in 20 years. This severe thunderstorm has produced winds up to 100 miles per hour and gusts up to 130 miles per hour. Along with all of this, we have heavy rains that will cause flooding. People from the south have reported hailstorms that have damaged farmers' crops and extensive damage to cars and broken many windows. All the best to Rio during this gigantic thunder.
Thanks, Erika. Now live in San Francisco from
Hello, this is Hyun. I am currently in San Francisco, and there is a raging tornado outside. A tornado is a destructive rotating column of air that has very high speeds, is visible as a funnel-shaped cloud, and touches the ground. 75% tornadoes occur in the U.S. They happen when cold, dry air from Canada meets warm, moist air from the tropics. The size of destruction is 8 kilometers long and 10 to 60 meters wide. Most last a few minutes but cause a lot of damage. The ability to damage things is caused by strong spinning winds. The average tornado has wind speeds between 120 to 180 kilometers per hour. Rarer, more violent tornadoes have wind speeds up to 500 kilometers per hour. They can uproot trees, destroy buildings, and are capable of picking up heavy objects such as mobile homes or cars and hurling them through the air. To sum it up, this means they are very dangerous and you should stay out of there.
Thank you, Hyun. Now let's go to Cuba. Mallika, what do you have on hurricanes?
Hi, this is Mallika coming at you live from Cuba. Hurricane Katie has struck the coastline of the country. Most hurricanes form in this area 5 and 20 degrees north latitude and 5 and 20 degrees south latitude. Hurricane Katie measured 700 kilometers in diameter, falling in the size range of hurricanes of 160 to 1,500 kilometers. Katie was formed as a group of thunderstorms were moving across and over the tropical waters of the Caribbean. She was then formed further as winds traveling in two different directions met, causing Katie to spin, and got fuel or energy to grow from warm, moist air. She stopped her fury slowly as she hit Cuba, for she was no longer using warm, moist air as a fuel to grow, but caused tremendous damage. She reached wind speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, above the average speed. Hurricane Katie wreaked havoc, destroying buildings and homes and the environment. Floods rushed through coastal roads and paths, destroying Cuban property and lives. That's all there is on Hurricane Katie. This is Mallika coming at you live from Cuba. On to Miraaj in the MEMMG studios for a special report on severe weather safety.
As we look at the weather, I would just like to remind you the safety rules for when there are big natural disasters. Usually, when there's a natural disaster, our local radio or TV will let us know earlier. For tornadoes and floods, there are two objects that warn you before time. They are called watches and warnings. When there's a hurricane, evacuate immediately. In emergencies like this, you should have a disaster supply kit. In case of a thunderstorm, always crouch down if you are in the open. This is so that you don't get struck by lightning. Thank you for watching MEMMG weather forecast. See you next time.
Thank you, Miraaj, for those good tips how to stay safe in a storm. Now, this is it for MEMMG Studios. Thank you.
Thank you. Stay safe.